Hi guys. Well, locked up at the house. We're probably bored to death. I know I am. So I thought of something that we need to do that I haven't seen anyone do. So I'm issuing a challenge to all these people that subscribe to my channel, that I subscribe to theirs, all these cookers. I'm gonna call it hashtag Mystatefood. What I want to do is I want to issue a challenge and do a collab with anybody that is willing to jump in. Cook something that is primarily done in your home state and probably not anywhere else. That's what I'm going to do. That's going to be my next video. And I'm issuing this challenge to you guys that'll pick up the glove and cook something that is known in your state. So until we get the videos out, I want to do it by this coming Sunday. It'll be the first Sunday in April. So there's not much time. So, okay guys, until then, hang tight.